Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. Today's project is going to be a little different. It's going to span several videos, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a kitchen sink in a new construction situation, and I'm going to install a garbage disposal. I'm going to install an outlet for the garbage disposal and the dishwasher. I'm going to install a kitchen faucet. I'm going to hook up the water lines to the shutoff valves. I'm going to hook up the drainage for the sink basin to the plumbing stub out on the wall. So let's get started. So as you can see, there's two shutoff valves. There is the stub out for the plumbing, and there is a 2-gang electrical box with wires hanging out. So the first step is let's start installing two outlets. One will be for the dishwasher and one will be for the garbage disposal. Now, before we get started, it's important to realize that electricity is extremely dangerous and it can kill you if you're not careful. So extreme caution must be used at all times when working with electricity. The first step is to make sure the power is turned off via the breakers. Each has its own separate circuit, so each will have its own breaker as per modern code. I recommend using a voltage tester on the black wire to confirm that there is no power in the line before you go any further. Next, I strip back the insulation on the wires to about 5/8 to 3/4 of an inch, and I bend the copper in the shape of a hook, and that is so it can hook around the screws on the outlet. I start with the ground, which is the bare copper wire, and I attach it to the green screw. That is the ground screw. So I put it on there, make sure it's nice and tight. Next, I'll take the black wire, which is the hot, that's the one if you touch you'll get shocked, and I attach it to the gold or brass screw. The gold colored screw or brass screw can be either of these two screws, but it needs to be attached to the brass colored screw. Very important. I make sure that's nice and tight. Next, I'll take the neutral, which is the white wire, and I'll attach it to the silver colored screw. Again, I tighten it down, make sure it's nice and tight. Some people put tape, electrical tape around these screws, which is not a bad idea. Once all the wires have been attached, the next thing is to attach the outlet to the outlet box. And the way you do that is you fold the wires into the outlet box, and the screws that are attached to the outlet on the yokes of the outlet, you use those screws to attach it to the box by simply screwing those screws into the screw holes on the box. Now, make sure your outlet is aligned correctly. You don't want it upside down. Once the outlet has been installed, then you install the cover plate, which is usually small little flathead screws that attach to the outlet. Now, in this situation, I installed one outlet for the dishwasher and one outlet for the garbage disposal, so I did everything times 2. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. In the next video, we'll attach the sink strainer to the sink basin. Until then, have a great day, and bye for now.